for the right vehicle? Check out 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, universal garage door opener, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, driver and front passenger heated seats, compass, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.